Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add channel keywords in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want YouTube to better understand your channel topic and audience, this is an important setting to configure. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner and click Settings. This opens your channel configuration menu. Now select the Channel option from the pop-up window. This section controls your channel-wide preferences. Under the Basic Info tab, you'll see a field called Keywords. This is where you add channel keywords. Type keywords related to your channel niche, content style, and topics you regularly upload about. These should clearly describe your content. Try mixing broad keywords with more specific phrases. For example, instead of only using gaming, you could also use mobile gaming tutorials or FPS gameplay. And avoid adding unrelated or misleading keywords just to chase views. YouTube may ignore them or reduce trust in your channel. Once you finish adding your keywords, click Save to apply the changes to your channel. So that's how to add channel keywords in YouTube Studio in 2026. It only takes a minute, but it helps YouTube better understand your channel and content focus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.